Good morning. Welcome back to class, boys and girls. I'm Mr. Catrone. Thank you for joining me on my Bitmoji classroom. And today we're going to be learning how to add and subtract unlike fractions. So we're going to be doing a Nearpod lesson. There should be a fraction cake underneath right here, but it's not popping up. So I have the link pulled up. So we're going to be doing this Nearpod lesson. So first, how to add and subtract unlike fractions. So you must first find the least common denominator amongst the two fractions, which is the bottom number. So for example, as our example, we're going to be using 5 out of 12 and 1 over 4. The denominators in those numbers are 12 and 4, which are the bottom numbers. So what we want to do is we have to match both those numbers together. So we can't divide, so we have to multiply the lower number up to the higher number. So in this instance, it'd be we got to multiply 4 to 12, and it'll be doing the same thing with the top number in order to make that more of a friendly looking fraction to add. So for example, we have 5 out of 12 plus 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4 is the fraction we need to change. So because we can multiply right here 3 by 1 out of 4, which gives us 3 out of 12. We are then ready to find the sum of the question. So right here, this is what it starts out as, and after we multiply 1 out of 4 by 3, this is what it looks like. So this is a lot better looking fraction. This is what we want. So right down here is then how you multiply it, or add it, my bad. So 5 out of 12 plus 3 out of 12 equals 8 out of 12. So let's practice one. Let's do it together. So what is 1 out of 12 plus 2 out of 3? So the fraction we want to change in this one is 2 out of 3, because we cannot divide 1 out of 12 to 3, but we have to multiply the 3. So how many times is 3 going to 12? 4, right? So we're gonna be drawing on this. 2 out of 3 times 4 is going to equal, we first multiply this. 4 times 3 is 12. That's a crappy 12. And then we need to multiply 4 by 2, which is going to give us 8. So at the end, we put it together. 1 over 12 plus 8 over 12, which is much better looking, is equal to 9 out of 12. So this is our final answer. This is what we want. Later we're going to be getting into reducing, but we're not going to worry about that right now. So I have this next question. This is going to be for homework I'd like you guys to complete. This is the only thing I'm going to ask you to do tonight. So yeah, thank you for paying attention, and hopefully you can understand it. Thank you.